Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ka Sorkar Jilla Kalarai ban pendam no yaki katuk ani teliki projek penmi boarding ki balaya soy nadu usnem arhajar henyau bat ki company namar kem shimla la shu ban ya chakman mentala pala chiposnem habakren shakilat pathai khubor hadin ka jingalang katanat boarding bat ki company ba pher ha secretariat ha kasni balai ka arphau tare uyayong arhajar arphau ar usembut menteri rangba uba pet ya katanat boarding uba preston tensong ulaya thu bagi projek ki balarai ban pendamno ya kisah skular ki kentop ya ke kenshi stage 1 kenshi stage 2 kat bagi projek ki badang dei ban ya chakman ki kentop ya kawa yam stage 3 kaba prabhusan megawatt kaba ontei da kanipko nalor ka yam stage 1 sanpho megawatt bat yam stage 2 kaba shispa megawatt Kadau kaba omla syuk ban penyat syakman ha kabaya dei bat ka kenshi stage 1. Kadai namar baka benta basyapo jong kene kawa kadai ka badan uranium.
Sign nadu kitu ge arjar 2007, 2008, 2009. But kini ki central agency bat kumju uru bat ki private developers ki belum interested ia kaban set up dan ban generate ia aneka power energy haka hydro sektor de mentakeski ngalakot ia aneka review meeting haka bagi ni representative jo kini companies ki bakher ki bagilai sign ya aneka MOU haka ni ki snen ki post den ki badan jadi khot mentakeski ni show ni meeting ban review kinu ki project ki ba ya sakmat kinu ki project pada ki bo ya sakmat te hakani ki jiya show ni ga review meeting mentakeski away ka project ka bangi om ka kenshi hydro electric project ya ketu hadin bagi keren lengkap ketika company kami ongka Athena Kenshi Power Private Limited New Delhi hadin bagi discuss wilayah keren ha nadong sedong atau itu vision ba nakalian kini ki company makini kidai ko mobi kini kidai ki private investors private developers dipaki daludi ki identify kini Bali jadi kini reverse kita akan generate kita power apa kerja ke sini de kawai ni kata kamu kensi project kaba nilai sign ke MOU baka Athena Kenshi Power Private Limited de mentas ni hati review meeting nilai sim ke rai ke lomba kin masuk ban proceed further madon pun kijingnya kamtam kan dia teguk rubat kata kami omka kata makanya kawak pensi kantor si itu bijakan dari badan ini uranium deposit. Yakin juga kita dia hak itu gajinya keren kalau mana kalian company kalau nak kalian jo komunisi jo forest environment tu dan vice pelomba nginem tak sih ada nginem ya sama ya kan project kalau sign kini kisnen lagi kata kamu nang ta kabaar ka MOU ka sign hawa aja niyo bat kani ka JP Megala Power Limited kani pede ka Kenshi stage 2 kani ka de hakaju ka case hakabakadu na kalian jong kini ki investors ki developers ipen pa ba ki ka kamno feasible bat kamno economical show ya kaban betre ini tinggi sim karai ba ngin cancel no ya kani ka MOU de kawai pat ka project ka ba bang yasain kanika MOU ha usnem arja kan ada kanika nipko silong kata kami ong ka project kata teng jo ka project kanika wa yam stage 3 ka ba la dan mi ku ba ratusan megawatt ya kani kakam kaja sikmat bat nakalian jom ka nipko ke hai ka assurance batinnya ya sikmat kumban pendek ya project kumba nilai sign ni dengan MOU ha u arajar kata
Ubat tensong wilayah tu bana kabanta ke Umyam Stage 1, Sanpo bat Umyam Stage 2, ondang ya soya ke soskular hapdeng ke sorkar jela bat ke nipko. Wilayah tu ru baki dan ki projek ki bak hamren, kom ka umran ka bak hatlai pensan megawan, bat nong mer projek ka bak arpu sau megawan, nalor ki thermal projek ki bak penmi boarding na udawyang.
Susu sa kidamdon susu ki ni project na kaleng jog radiko kabini ong ka umyam stage kani ka umyam stage 1 umyam stage 2 kaniru kade ka diktrua na kalian jog kaniko na kalian jog ka department ka power department mentang la perkret pada saya ka MUA ka bagini saya tad kaniko sana kementar ka stage 1 bat ka stage 2 nama ka stage 3 kelak belum in advance akabawat kalang urusan menakaya syakmat jadi pasak minta kalau sa ka stage 1 bat ka stage 2 badia kan iru muslim su bat dokumen ka sign ni kenika agreement bat ka dipu slot bahkan sedang dia kini di projek nah kalian kan ikui kata punya sign ni agreement hawa ada kata kata ketika thermal power project hapo Karohil hapo is Karohil ya kan iru kakam pelayan sama akaba menta na kalian jongka nipo kidang pang dan yok ka clearances napo Delhi kabaya day baka Ministry of Forest Environment nang taru kumju na kabaya day baka Ministry of Coal akaba ka thermal project kadai baka pang dang udah GMD Aqua Power Private Limited ka Umran Small Hydro Project ka khatlai pensan 10 megawatt ya kaniru menta stang bagini sign ya kanika MOA ha kini ki kindiat ski kebangan bat kanika company bat kawai pada katika Bax kabadina po Hyderabad kani pada kat pemi ko maarusau megawatt kani kadina ka megawatt ka nong mer small hydro power project kadiru ka stage ka bagini sign ni ka MOA nila perkrek ka power department bat nila ko ka cabinet akadatin sign ya kini sign pada agreement bat bakiru sedang ya kanika project ka joki sakawai ka project ka ba don ka agreement pada sign suang awal jaspo pada ka Harappal Satyapal Limited New Delhi kani ketika thermal project apa Karohil Hills kani ketika apa South Karohil Hills ya kan yuru pembangunan di na kalian jog company ka ya sama kumdoban terikam di project pada agreement sket ba agini di biar stand di bawah gila ya kan pendek ya pilih project iba nilai sign ya kan di kalau kami pension ni mo ya kini kidon di hakatu ba MOA kini sign kadon ba ars pasan pro kadon bisnis pa kadon ni kabang ngalak nombi mo na saya feedback ni kalau kini ka kansi project kedai 270 megawatt kansi ka stage 1 nata kini ka baat kansi stage 2 kedai 325 megawatt kita kedai ke ba ini ki company ultimately they surrender means we are going to cancel it. The MOA has to be cancelled. Okay, you got it too, and then you'll get one more. Yeah, one is again a small project where the agreement was signed between SM Energenco Limited. Guwahati, it's only 50 megawatt. That also is cancelled. That is Upper Cree Stage 1. And then number 2, Upper Cree Stage 2. This is only 10 megawatt. The same company. That is also cancelled. Okay. So now, those who are going to continue the implementation of the agreement signed is one is NIPCO. NIPCO is that, as I said to that Umyam Stage 3. 85 megawatt, then Umyam stage 2 100 megawatt, and then Umyam stage 1 50 megawatt. And again with thermal, the thermal power project is about 500 megawatt. So these are the
This Nangal Vipra.
this is in in East Karo Hills. East Karo Hills. This one is in East Karo Hills. Again, mga take over, but pay yung Power Department na try first time na doon kena meeting, but niya kaya ni basya nga ulong nilong serious na kaliang jong kaya i developers so kilong serious na kaliang ni government nilong serious ba kinuno kay clearances nga namar ba kamde ka bangin syukrin ka basuk ban ong ba nagwa ban invest ban like long ban like ban sinay kan kuno hydel power project kalasuk kamde kumda don kam bijing Trailang state government ki department ni government dia ngelai assurance ban ni na kaliang state government ni kinu department kam nadu conference ki pollution ban paro ngili Trailang rekan ki developers kenang ba kila ia kaban pendep ia kaneka project ki ia ka bakila ro at their own cost ia ka power requirement ka energy requirement that we have is about 650 megawatt kabangidon ni menta ba pemi kaneka usually kalau bat around 300 te kamu ni dan luna menta ka deficit kabangidon not less than 350
So we have to depend on power purchase.
then power purchase. That see power purchase. I'm just telling you, power purchase is mandatory to every state. You cannot say that I have sufficient thing myself because see, even those states who produce surplus power, what they do, they sell. But there are times where sometimes the machinery get busted, or maybe 1 week or 2 weeks they cannot repair it back. Then again, they have to also, that in between of that time, they have to purchase. So this PPA, that power purchase agreement has to be there with every state. Because as I said to you, at any point of time, it may happen for 1 week, it may happen for 2 weeks, it may happen only for 1 day also. But you can't see, you cannot afford losing power. So you need power, whatever you see. So therefore, PPA is every state.